In this problem we have 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 times 2. According to the order of operations, we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it's wrong. And now let's start our solution. So first we do this division. We have 2 divided by 2, which equals 1. Now our problem became 1 divided by 2 times 2. So we have to work from left to right. 1 divided by 2, which can be written as 1 over 2 times 2. Now we can easily cancel this 2 and this 2, which equals 1. So our final answer for this problem is just 1.